breaking news. Reporters. Airplane crashed beside NAIA Terminal 3. The airline is Philippine Airline. The reporter said that some of them died and then some of them are alive. The pilot and the captain are alive. The flight attendants managed to survive. Pagka-start pala ng aeroplano, naka-screen record na. Nagsa-start na pala. Tapos, nilalakasan na. Ang ginagawa na ay binabrake para mukhang professional driver na aeroplano. Pero, nang nag-take off na, nakalimutan ma-turn off yung seatbelt. Pero, pag nagla-landing na, pinatay na yung seatbelt para sa notification. Tas, tinurn off na yung landing gear na dito. Pagkatapos na ma-turn off na landing gear, everything is working well na fine, pero nakikita mo kung anong ginagawa ng aeroplano, parang may yung camera na ganun. Tapos, nire-reduce na yung speed para mag-prepare na landing. Tinurn off na yung seatbelt. Inano na yung control tower. Tinurn on na pala. Tinurn on na pala yung landing gear. Tas, nagla-landing na, slowly landing na pala. Naglanding na. Pagkatapos maglanding, umano na yung aeroplano, nag-boom crash na. Yan. So, nagka-crash yung aeroplano. Like, baka nawawalan na ng gas, in rush na siya, parang emergency landing lang yun.